Looking for early blooming spring flowers to add color to your garden? In this video, we're exploring the top 5 blossoms that will transform your outdoor space into a vibrant haven even before the last frost thaws. Stay tuned to discover the top 5 flowers that will make your garden burst with color this spring. First on our list is the delicate snowdrop. This hardy perennial is known for its bell-shaped white blooms that emerge even through late winter snow. A fantastic choice for early spring color, snowdrops signify the end of winter. With their dangling white blossoms, snowdrops give a hint of the spectacular color show that's about to unfold in your garden. Next up is the cheerful winter aconite. These delightful flowers dazzle with their bright yellow hues, blooming courageously even amidst the frosty snow. They're a vibrant, heartwarming sight in any spring garden. Winter aconite with its bright yellow blossoms truly is a herald of spring. And if you love variety, then crocuses should be your pick. These dazzling bloomers come in a spectrum of colors, painting an enchanting canvas of purples, yellows, and whites. Their vibrant hues add an unexpected burst of color to early spring gardens. From purples to yellows and whites, crocuses bring a rainbow to your garden. A list of early bloomers wouldn't be complete without daffodils. With their iconic yellow flowers, these perennials are a classic choice for an early spring garden, promising a burst of sunshine after the long winter months. Daffodils, with their cheerful yellow blooms, are sure to bring a smile to your face. There you have it, the top 5 early blooming spring flowers. From the delicate snowdrops to the vibrant daffodils, each brings unique charm to your garden. Enjoy their beauty and the joy they bring. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!